Welcome to my new video. In this video we will learn about household vocabulary. Let's start. What is this? This is clock. This is clock. What is this? This is washing machine. This is washing machine. What is this? This is first aid kit. This is first aid kit. What is this? This is towel. This is towel. What is this? This is soap. This is soap. What is this? This is telephone. This is telephone. What is this? This is socks. This is socks. What is this? This is jeans. This is jeans. What is this? This is key. This is key. What is this? This is toilet paper. This is toilet paper. What is this? This is a stool. This is a stool. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.